Today we're going to be having a look at some seals. Yeah, it's not the ones you see in the circus balancing a ball on the nose, but 300 TDI rear crankshaft seals. Now we've done this time and time again. We're not going to go into actually fitting them, but we're going to have a look at two different types because my good friend Alfred, who's in Paraguay, sent me one of these. Yes, this is the same seal sold by Turner's, and this is for the South American 300 TDI and the HS 2.8. But there's something very interesting written on the back of the packet which we'll come to in a minute. But we're going to compare this to this. This is the genuine Land Rover seal, all right? And we're going to have a look at them and weigh them. So let's get set up. Interestingly enough, on the back of this seal is written what the actual application is for. Now I'm going to shout this out because I'm going to have a look at it with my magnifying glass because the print is kind of small. But it says, in Spanish naturally, it says description: Maxion HSD 2.8 Gemini, application S10 C cooler. I'm not sure what that means. F1000-Ranger, MBB Sprinter, Rover Defender. So there you go. MBB is Mercedes-Benz. So let's have a look at one we're familiar with first. This is the Land Rover one. I know it's in a mucky box, but it's been on my shelf a long time. We're all familiar with these, and I think we did a video quite a little while ago. I'll try and dig it out and put it in the end screen of these. We had three different types and they were all exactly the same. Even the box was the same, so there's no point really buying a Land Rover one because they're all just as bad as each other. But this is it. This is the seal. So this is the Land Rover one. I don't want to get it too mucky, but that's better. Now we'll notice straight away we're all familiar with these. It's only got 5 bolts that holds this seal on. In actual fact, the seal itself here never leaks. It never ever leaks. What happens is this bit warps, and you can see how preciously thin it is here. And they used to put a gasket on there. Now they just put RTV sealer on. But if this warps here, then it leaks, and it leaks out the back of the bell housing, and you think it's the sump seal that's gone, but it isn't. It's this that's warped. So when Maxion made the HS 2.8, they came up with a better idea. They improved a lot of things on the HS 2.8. And what they did was they put 2 extra bolt holes here. Now this is the first one I've ever seen, and it looks a little bit different in some respects. Now I don't want to take the ring out, but when we compare the two, it's the same fittings, but you can see the seal is somewhat different. I don't know why, but this one feels a bit heavier. So we're going to put this onto the scale. That's 296 grams. 284, my God, I'm accurate, aren't I? I knew it was a bit heavier. So it's a little bit heavier, a little bit more denser, and that probably would account for this bit here at the bottom. You see it's thicker, it's all beefy round there, where this one here is just hollow. So all this entails is drilling and tapping 2 little 8mm bolts through there, and that will keep that all nice and happy. Again, look at the back, different again. You see it's got all these recesses in here. This has got nothing, a nice plain surface to put RTV on, and it'll seal up fine. So that was just a very quick video just to compare the two. Many thanks for that, Alfred. Now I'm not sure how much these cost, but if I do find out, I'll put it in the description below. I know you can get them from Turner's. I know Turner's sell them, but I'm not sure how much they are from there. Alright, I hope you like that. We'll catch you in the next video.